guys, right here. So today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to you. And we just got a call and we're gonna be heading to Santiago Canyon, Silverado Canyon. To be more exact, it'll be the Maple Springs truck trail. And we're gonna be recovering an F150. The spindle broke, so the tire is leaning, in. So of course, right now the weather is around 90 degrees. It's pretty hot outside. And of course, as soon as I get there, I keep recording. And thank you guys for coming along. We got a Jeep on the way, so they're backing up so we can pass. This trail is barely wide enough for one at this location that we are, but I think we are finding a clearing. So he's gonna be able to move to the side, and we should be able to just keep going. All right, so the guy wanted to back up a little bit more, but I think we have a clearing wide enough for both of us. So they're making them go sideways on the mountain, just a little bit on the hill. Yeah, and that's wide enough for us, so we should be good. All right, let's go. This trail is fairly easy. You will find a bunch of two-wheel drives and also some sedans, including a Tesla. And I once had to recover a Fiat from here. Thank you. The amount of traffic on this trail is pretty high. We run into a lot of off-roaders on our way to the recovery. Experience? No. Okay, so yeah. Now we got somebody following us. They saw us. He's like, "Oh, you're the recovery team," and so he wanted to come along. So, all right, let's go. Look at that. We're right at the top. That's where usually the radio antennas are at. Right on the top. That's where we are. All right, let's continue. Maple Spring Road, Bedford Road, Skyline. Let's go. Aquí estamos Hey, brother. Yeah, if you wanna see the video, it's gonna be here later. All right. Carlos. Yeah. Carlos. Right, be safe. You too. Look, you see? We got more people here. Check it out. What are we here? I guess. Let's go. I think we're here. Check it out, guys. I'm getting all the radiation I can possibly get right now. All right. We are right here, right at the antennas, and we have no reception whatsoever. I was trying to do a live video, but there's no reception. All right, let's go. Let's check it out. Okay, I see it. So it looks like we have enough room, maybe, to turn around. I'm not sure. Let's go check it out. Look at that. One of the things I love about doing this is that it takes me places that I didn't know I could get to or either exist. The view from up here is beautiful. poquito más, ya para que baje ahí. All right, there, that should be enough. Put it down. Put rocks behind the tires. Empújalo, tanto para arriba. Ryan, spin that wheel this way, please. Push it, this way. No, espérate, el otro way. Push it up.
Yeah, creo que es enderezarlo, ¿no?
¿Ah? Sí, enderezalo.
It's good?
A little more.
It's a little bit crooked.
Sí, okay. It's gonna be a little bit quick. So, los jalamos y lo volvemos a alinear.
Pues puedes bajarlo y...
¿Seguro? Okay. Ya, póngale la roca por favor ahí, ya que la tiene ahí, gracias. Ahí está. Alright, let's go.
¿De dónde lo vas a agarrar?
Pues desde abajo, como siempre.
Two more inches, right there.
Voy bajando al rancho. Chinga, ve.
¿Sí?
La tela mía, no es grandota, pero.
De todos modos.
Sí, la digo.
We removed the shock reservoirs to make sure that they wouldn't get damaged.
Bueno, trajimos alambritos para amarrarlo.
Sí. It's gonna hit the bumper, bro.
Yeah. Do we remove this or no?
Yeah, there's no matter what we do, even if we remove it, it's still gonna hit the
Real? No.
the radiator.
Wait.
Stay there.
Do we have another, do we have any more blocks?
¿Tiene otra madera?
Or is there a block out here somewhere?
No, todo el mundo lo va.
I do not know how this happened, but he lost all the lug nut studs and lug nuts, of course. got a strap with a dolly. Alfredo's gonna guide the way and clear any traffic possible. So let's go.
Vámonos.
Check it out. We have a crowd right here. There's cars coming.
There's three coming down right now.
See, we got more traffic. What's up, brother? Yeah, he's riding the truck, yeah. Check it out, brother. Okay, guys, so after about 2.5 hours of uneventful driving through the trail, you know, we got it out. So thank you guys for watching our videos. Thank you for following us. And of course, we'll see you next time.